The streamline position is most commonly used for underwater work after a dive or after a turn during racing. It can also be used for lap kicking or as conditioning drills for both performance and beginner swimmers. A streamline position makes a swimmer aquadynamic, reducing drag or resistance from the oncoming water. For swimmers practicing underwater kick, this increases the range of motion from the hips and the legs, increasing propulsion through the water. The streamline position stabilizes the body at the surface of the water. This is great for swimmers learning to swim or for performance swimmers looking to advance their technique. To practice a streamline position, place both hands directly on top of each other. Press your biceps behind your ears so your arms become extended. It is fundamental that your head remains low and your arms remain extended behind your ears. For more great swimming content, don't forget to check out our online courses and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel.